What's up guys, welcome to my giveaway. It is right now open, so go ahead and participate through the first link in the description. So you can win a modular Sci-Fi Unreal Engine 5 and 4 environment asset. So let's go ahead and check it out. As you can see, it is a very cool and detailed asset where you can go ahead and build your sci-fi games and worlds, and it is very versatile. So yeah, you can win this totally free by just going ahead and following some of the requirements. So let's go ahead and check them out. So you will need to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will talk about this with says visit in a moment. You have to follow me on Twitter. You will need to follow me on Instagram. You will need to follow me on Twitch and join my Discord server. Okay. Now, like I have just mentioned before, disclaimer, in the requirements that say visit profile, basically Instagram and YouTube, you have to follow in order to participate. Otherwise, it will not count, okay? I have my way of making sure that you followed. Even though if you visit, it will go ahead and just add an entry, but it will not count, okay? You will not win if that's the case. Of course, if you did all the requirements, maybe you have a chance, but basically, even though it says visit, you have to follow, okay? It is because of the API of Instagram and YouTube, which I cannot directly make a follow requirement, but I have my way of making sure. So you have to follow if that's the case, okay? So of course, as you may know, the more requirements that you do, basically the more places that you follow me, and the more chances you have of winning. So the giveaway will be active for 1 week, basically until the next Sunday, so until the 2nd of April, where I will be doing a live stream basically announcing the winner, and yeah, it will go ahead and win. Now when you participate, probably it will ask you for your email, and this is just to make sure that I have a way of contacting you, because a lot of people have the issue that then they cannot contact the winner because they don't respond through their Instagram DMs or Twitter DMs or whatever. So this is just a way of me preventing to basically have to choose another winner because there was no way of contacting, okay? It's just for that. So that's pretty much it, guys. You know, good luck for everyone. I mean, of course, the more requirements that you do, the more places that you follow me and join, the more chances you have of going ahead and winning. So of course, you have your information. You know what to do. Follow me on every place, and yeah, you will be able to win this incredible, really cool asset. Okay. So with all that said, link in the description. You'll be able to go ahead and participate. And yeah, with all that said, bye bye.